Today I will walk through the query how to buy shares of MKB Nedsense NV. MKB Nedsense NV is listed on Euronext under the ticker NEDSE.NV, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify the account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search and type the ticker NEDSE.NV to find the listing. Make sure you select the entry listed on Euronext to locate the correct stock. On the stock page, check the basic company summary and the price chart to confirm this is the company you intended to buy. Verify the exchange and the ticker again before proceeding. Tap Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled to execute when trading resumes, and the platform will ask you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After execution, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to the example platform is in the description if you want to review the steps shown.